OneNote versus Notion. So which note-taking tool is better? Let's find out. Let's go to their features and functionality. So OneNote is great for organizing notes in a notebook-style format. It supports multimedia notes, handwriting, and collaboration through Microsoft 365 apps. On the other hand, Notion combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis into one powerful workspace, making it more versatile for project management. And let's go to their ease of use. OneNote has a simple, familiar interface that works well for anyone that are used to Microsoft apps, while Notion has a slight learning curve but becomes extremely powerful once you master its templates and databases. Let's go to their collaboration and cross-platform. OneNote syncs seamlessly across Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and in your web. While Notion is entirely web-based, it works on every platform too, and it supports real-time multi-user collaboration. And let's go to their pricing. OneNote is completely free for personal use with full features enabled, while Notion is free for individuals, but it has paid plans for advanced collaboration and larger storage. So, for final verdict, if you just want a simple and free note-taking app with offline support, you can go with OneNote. But if you want an all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and collaboration, Notion is the better choice for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.